interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber Child abduction alert. Virginia State Police and the Virginia Missing Children Clearinghouse have issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Stafford County Sheriff's Office for a child abduction that occurred yesterday at 10 p.m. last night. The child is believed to be in extreme danger and was last seen at 2142 Jefferson Davis Highway in Stafford County, Virginia. Abducted is Selena Janira Fernandez, a Hispanic female with black hair, brown eyes, 17 years old, 5 foot 1 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds, last seen wearing a white T-shirt and black pants. The child is believed to have been abducted by Rodney Richards, a black male with black hair, brown eyes, about 5 foot 10 inches tall, weighing 230 pounds, a blue hoodie, and black jeans, last seen driving a white 4-door Honda sedan. For more information, contact the Stafford County Sheriff's Office.
Saturday, northeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 2 feet. The northern Virginia mountain forecast for elevations above 2